Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a closer look at the new release from Solido at the 1/18 scale, this BMW E36 M3 with the Polizei livery. This model of course is metallic and features opening doors and functional steering. Let's start in the front. We have the headlights which look pretty good. Of course we have the front grills, sadly no perforated grills, but the chrome looks pretty good. Also we have the BMW license there. We have Drift Polizei license plate. Also we have this black front splitter. Next we have the wheels, which look pretty good. I like those BBSs. Also we have tire ratings with Michelin, Pilot Sport, and some other markings as well. And of course we have the BMW logo there in the center. Next we have this Polizei livery on the side as well. In the back everything looks pretty good. We have this huge wing. Also have the exhaust. The headlights look pretty good, and of course the M3 logo as well as the BMW logo. Underneath the model we have the exhaust, which goes all the way to the back. Let's open the doors to check the interior. Let me see if I can manage to open them. There we go. Let's see if we can open this side as well. I think Solido has changed its hinges. I'll try that later because it's a bit harder to open the doors. The interior looks pretty good. A lot of details on the center console and also on the dash. Of course we have a manual gearbox in this model, and I really like the bucket seats on the sport seats on this model. Tell me in the comments, what do you think about this model? Do you like the livery? I have to say I really like this livery. I saw it first at the Nuremberg Toy Fair, but tell me your opinion, and would you go for the other variants of the M3, or you're gonna buy this one? Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.